Welcome to this week's episode of Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck weekly program that focuses on upfitting. I am Wayne Parham, one of the editors at Work Truck. How many semi-trucks have you seen on the road, say, over the past 2 decades? Surely that number would go well into the thousands. Do you ever take time to think about how many of those trucks have grill guards? Well, many of those grill guards that you've seen were made by X-Guard. X-Guard has nearly 2 decades of experience protecting Class 8 trucks and fleets across more than 200 billion miles, and that's billion with a B. Their grill guards have protected fleets and drivers from front-end collisions, animal strikes, and many other road hazards. But now that experience extends to a whole new class of vehicles. X-Guard has introduced the FX and HX series of heavy-duty grill guards for Class 2 through Class 5 vehicles, trucks, but also vans. Both versions were on display earlier this month during Work Truck Week 2025, and I stopped by the booth to learn a little more. The new FX and HX series grill guards are built with X-Guard's legendary quality and durability. These grill guards really are built tough. They feature 11-gauge high-tensile steel, intelligent design, and an EverCoat PVC coating that prevents rust due to road wear and the toughest weather conditions. So, what's the advantage of X-Guard's grill guard? Well, X-Guard grill guards are designed to absorb the impact of a collision and distribute the force evenly to help ensure the safety of drivers and reduce the risk of damage to the vehicle. Now, what that means, these grill guards can reduce costs for fleets. With X-Guard grill guards, business owners and fleet managers have reduced front-end replacement part costs by 97%, and they've also reduced towable accidents by 80%. Now, heavy-duty pickup truck and cargo van owners can experience the same safety and savings with X-Guard. The new guards deliver X-Guard's legendary defense to some of the most popular full-size and heavy-duty pickup trucks and chassis, including Ford's F-150, F-250, F-350, F-450, and F-550. Grill guards are also available for both Chevrolet Silverados and GMC Sierras, 1500, 2500 HD, and 3500 HD. And Ram trucks also are protected by these grill guards, which are available for the 1500, 2500, and the 3500. So if you have any of these pickups in your fleet, be sure to check out X-Guard and remember they also now provide grill guards for vans as well. If you want to know more? Then visit them online at www.xguard.com, but be sure to put a hyphen in between the EX and the guard, and that'll get you to their website. Be sure to come back next week and see what the latest topic, product, or tip will be on Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck. Thank you.